The world's most iconic military aircraft, few have achieved the legendary status of the Apache. For over 4 decades, Boeing's AH-64 series has symbolized the dominance, resilience, and precision on the battlefield. The latest iteration, the Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian, represents the pinnacle of attack helicopter evolution, a platform refined through combat experience, cutting-edge technology, and a relentless pursuit of superiority. Developed from the proven AH-64D Longbow Apache, the AH-64E integrates advanced systems in avionics, propulsion, and connectivity. It was designed to meet the demands of 21st century warfare, where agility, information dominance, and survivability define victory. As the primary attack helicopter of the US Army and several allied forces, the Apache Guardian embodies the future of rotary wing combat. Powerful, connected, and nearly unstoppable. The evolution of the Apache line. The Apache's lineage dates back to the late 1970s, when McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, first introduced the AH-64A as a replacement for the aging AH-1 Cobra. Its success in various conflicts established a strong foundation for subsequent models. The AH-64D Longbow, introduced in the 1990s, brought radar-guided targeting and digital connectivity to the forefront. However, the increasing complexity of modern warfare, with faster-moving battlefields and integrated network operations, demanded an even greater level of performance and adaptability. Thus, the AH-64E Apache Guardian was born. This latest version not only improves upon its predecessor's capabilities, but also redefines the role of attack helicopters in the age of digital warfare. It is not merely an evolution. It is a transformation designed to ensure relevance in both conventional and hybrid warfare scenarios. Power and performance. Built for superiority, at the heart of the AH-64E's performance lies its twin General Electric T700GE701D engines, each delivering 1,994 shaft horsepower. These upgraded engines give the helicopter greater lift capability, higher cruising speeds, and improved performance in hot and high environments where air density reduces lift efficiency. The Apache Guardian can reach speeds of up to 284 km/h, 176 mph, and operate effectively at altitudes exceeding 20,000 feet. Its range extends to nearly 480 kilometers, 300 miles, without auxiliary fuel tanks, providing ample reach for both attack and reconnaissance missions. In addition, the AH-64E features a composite main rotor blade system designed to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and reduce maintenance requirements. This ensures not only superior agility, but also remarkable resilience, essential in harsh combat environments. Avionics and systems. A digital battlefield asset, where the AH-64E truly sets itself apart, is in its advanced avionics and digital connectivity. The helicopter functions as an integrated component of modern battle networks, capable of sharing and receiving data in real time. The modernized target acquisition designation, Sight Pilot Night Vision Sensor, MTADS PNVS, provides high-resolution imagery, allowing the crew to detect, identify, and engage targets at long distances, day or night, in all weather conditions. Equally transformative is the Link 16 data network, enabling the Apache Guardian to communicate seamlessly with ground forces, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and other aircraft. This networked capability allows for coordinated strikes, enhanced situational awareness, and faster decision-making. A defining feature of the AH-64E is its ability to control UAVs directly. The crew can view live feeds from drones and even operate their sensors or weapons. This manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T capability, gives Apache pilots unprecedented battlefield awareness, effectively extending the helicopter's eyes and reach far beyond the horizon. Armament. Precision in every strike. The Apache Guardian's firepower remains one of its defining attributes. It carries a lethal mix of weapons, optimized for both anti-armor and anti-personnel missions. At the core of its armament lies the M230 30mm chain gun, mounted beneath the fuselage. Controlled through the pilot's helmet-mounted sight, it allows the gun to follow the crew's line of vision, a system that provides unmatched precision in dynamic combat situations. Complementing the cannon are the AGM-114R Hellfire missiles, capable of striking armored targets from several kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. The AH-64E can also carry APKWS-2 laser-guided rockets for lighter targets and Stinger air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. This modularity allows the Apache to adapt its weapon loadout to mission requirements, from anti-tank operations and close air support to suppression of enemy air defenses. Every strike is deliberate, efficient, and devastating. Survivability and protection. Designed to endure combat. Survivability has always been central to the Apache design philosophy, and the AH-64E continues this legacy with enhanced protection systems. The aircraft's armor plating and redundant control systems allow it to sustain heavy damage while remaining operational. The crew compartment is surrounded by Kevlar-reinforced armor, and the cockpit is designed to absorb the impact of small arms fire and even some anti-aircraft hits. The AH-64E also employs advanced infrared countermeasures, radar warning receivers, and chaff flare dispensers to evade enemy tracking and missile threats. Its low radar cross-section and infrared signature further enhance stealth, allowing it to approach targets undetected. In short, the Apache Guardian is built to survive and return fire in some of the most hostile environments imaginable. Operational capabilities and global deployment. Since its introduction, the AH-64E has become the backbone of several air forces worldwide. In addition to the US Army, nations such as the United Kingdom, India, Indonesia, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, and the Netherlands have adopted the Apache Guardian for their attack helicopter fleets. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of missions, from counterinsurgency and border defense to large-scale conventional warfare. During joint operations, its ability to integrate seamlessly with allied systems enhances coalition effectiveness, reflecting its adaptability to multinational operations. The Apache's success in varied climates, from Middle Eastern deserts to Southeast Asian jungles, underscores its durability and reliability. For nations seeking a proven and technologically advanced combat platform, the AH-64E remains an unrivaled choice. Maintenance, upgrades, and longevity. The AH-64E was designed with life cycle efficiency in mind. Boeing's integrated logistics support system provides predictive maintenance capabilities that reduce downtime and extend operational readiness. Continuous software and hardware upgrades ensure that the helicopter remains technologically relevant well into the future. Boeing and the US Army are already exploring next-generation enhancements, including advanced sensor fusion, autonomous operations, and AI-assisted target recognition. Such adaptability guarantees that the Apache Guardian will remain a dominant force well into the 2040s, serving as both a frontline warrior and a platform for future innovation. The future of rotary wing warfare. The AH-64E Apache Guardian's impact extends beyond its battlefield performance. It also shapes the very future of military aviation. The concept of manned-unmanned teaming introduced by the Apache has redefined how helicopters operate within modern warfare.